This is how you delete the iMessage trash bin on your iPhone. First, open iMessages. Find the hamburger icon on the top right up here. Here you'll find various options, including messages, spam, and recently deleted. Let's tap on that. Here you're going to find a superficial list of all the messages that have been deleted. What I mean by that is, we see here I've sent 3 messages to myself. If I tap on this, it just checks the box. I can't actually see what the messages are. The only way I can see what they are is if I tap recover, which would be the opposite of deleting. It put them all back into your message thread. That would not change anything for the other person in the conversation. They'd just be added back to your message thread. They would already be present in your message partner's message thread. Unless, of course, you did some fancy stuff when you first sent it, like editing it or unsending it. If you want to know what I'm talking about, there's a video in the card up above that'll show you what I'm talking about. But to delete the trash in iMessages, all you have to do is select all the messages in here and then tap on the garbage can. The number of days that you see right here is the number of days before this message thread or this group of messages will be automatically deleted. So if you can wait that long, you don't have to worry about the iMessage trash bin. If you want to get rid of stuff quickly, you got to come in here, select it, hit this garbage can, choose delete 3 messages, and now they're gone. Can't be recovered. They're only now visible on your message partner's conversation end. I hope this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which will show you how to create a ringtone from any song. It's a super cool video. It's quick to do, and I'll see you there.